Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this Shockwave using UE5 Niagara fluid plugin, and we can also collide this sphere with this. Okay, so how I created this? Let's start this video. So I have already created this, but I will do it again from scratch. So what you have to do, and I will delete this. Let's create a new level actually. Okay, where you don't have this sphere also. Okay, and I have this fluid R&D already here, so I will create another. So you have to right click, and first your plugin should be turned on here. So fluid should be turned on, then restart the engine, and then let me close it. Right click, take a Niagara, take the template. You have all the 3D templates here, 3D fluid. I will use this one. I